Hello everyone and welcome to Opnbi. I am Rima here. In this video I am going to show you how to upload report in Opnbi and how to use this report in dashboard. I have already created two reports, sales report and order details. So go to the Opnbi. So log in to the Opnbi. In document section, go to the report section. In that, drag and drop this report into Opnbi. So here I am selecting sales, upload, and order details. Drag and drop this report, upload. So report uploaded successfully. Click on OK. So here you can see the order details and sales report. Now click on the hamburger menu and select the dashboard and create a new dashboard. Click on the plus icon. Give the name of dashboard. Create. Here you can see the empty dashboard. So click on the report widget and select the report. Here I am selecting sales report. Give the output type like output XLX, docs, HTML, PDF, PPTX, RPT document, XLS, XLS, XLSX. Here I am selecting HTML. Click on the preview, save and exit. Expand this widget. So here you can see the sales report. Click on save and go to the preview. This is a line chart, and in sales by country you can see the list of available country and total sale of that particular country. So click on the Austria. It will redirect you on order details of that country. Order details, country Austria, order ID, customer name, quantity, order date, ship date, and total count of the product. If you want to see delivery receipt of particular customer, so click on order ID. It will redirect you on delivery receipt of that customer. So order ID, customer name, product, quantity, and price. That's all about how to upload report in Opnbi and how to use in a dashboard.